Hello and welcome. I'm Albert, your Reiki Grandmaster, and this is another session for Reiki. And I just want to say thank you for watching this session. It means a lot to me that you do. And if you find this session helpful in your life, do subscribe. Okay. And channel members, thank you for your support monthly, and channel subscribers, thank you for your daily subscribers. So many people have done so, and you should as well. But I want you to feel comfortable. Here is a place for calm, peaceful, relaxing, loving, healing, and protection. Those are the elements of Reiki has to offer. Now, in this session, I do provide psychic, because psychic abilities run deep and on my side. Okay? But I want you to feel healed. I want you to feel relaxed. Inhale and say relax. And you feel this relaxation every time we do a session together. Peaceful, loving, healing, understanding, comprehension. I want to focus on the different layers of life. So what I mean is, number one is the future. Number two is the present, the now, the current. And number three is the past, where you lived before. Now you're in the now. You're in the now, you're in the present. We're not in the future yet. You're living here. And you want to make this present as fulfilling as the past. Because in the past, you might have felt happy and more content with yourself. And you say, gee, back then in the past, it was wonderful. Sure it was, but that was the past. Every cycle, every 12 months, everything changes. A new year starts, and you have to think, gee, what's going to happen this year? Will it be better than last year? You don't know. You don't know until each quarter. First quarter, every 3 months. The fourth month is the next quarter. Anything can change. You can change your destiny right now. Should I go this way? Should I go that way? Should I go forward? You want to go forward in life because that's where you're supposed to go. Left, right, you have three choices. 1, 2, 3. 2 is forward. You want to go forward in life. But along the way, you need to drop things. Things that you no longer need in your life. Things that are outdated. Things are limiting you and your beliefs. You're taught by your family not to do this, not to do that, not to do this. And why? If you do those things, it will mess you up in the now and in the future. If you change your life now, you feel different. Here we have a red box. In this red box, we have the yin and the yang. These are spiritual. They're healing. They calm you down. They have their own tone. Yes, they have their own presence and they have their own magical features if you know how to use them right. And it can help you in your life. Be peaceful and be quiet and be relaxed. You don't want to get angry and you don't want to get frustrated. You want to be at ease. Psychic energy has 3 levels of color, frequency colors, which is red, yellow, green, and purple. I can take you to the purple. That opens up the psychic portal, the gateway, the other realm, the realm of peace and quiet. That's where we all need to be in. But right now, a lot of us fall short and are in the red. Some call it the root. I call it red because if I close my eyes and open up that psychic doorway, I'm going to see how things are really. Mostly it's dark, then it shows the color. Show me the color that we're in right now. Are we in the red? Are we in the yellow? Are we in the green? Are we in the purple? What color are we in right now? Show me the light. Right now, it's a combination. That means we're in between the color shades. Yeah, this is a bad thing. All red means, I call that negative energy. Okay, want to stay in the green. The green is hard to stay in, by the way. I can get you in there. You feel it. Something happened. Somebody says something to me. Something you watch on TV. Something you heard that was not positive can throw you right back to where you started. It happens because we get you in the positive, and you're feeling positive, and you're feeling mellow and happy. You feel good. Here is selenite. These are selenite healing wands. These are good for sleeping. These are good for healing and purification as well. These go along with the dream capture and the Himalaya salt. These are very powerful. A lot of people, well, a lot of people do use it. They substitute scissors, anything like knives, cutting the cords and things like that. But their main purpose is to heal. To heal you. To feel at peace. This one is newer. It takes a while for it to become like this. These are porous. They do not like water, and they do shed, and they do hold and retain the light that guides you up into the next realm. When you pass away, there's a light that shines. I've experienced. I've been there. I've seen it for myself, and I was told, sent by the I call them the supreme beings, and they said it's not your time yet. My life and destiny is to fulfill and help others, and that's what I do. I help others. I change their lives. I make them feel at peace and happy. I make them feel well. And I want you to feel good. And I want you to feel happy. And I want you to feel like your life is changing each and every day. Your life holds so much in this world. You feel the life and the healing each and every day. The force of nature and the force of good. We struggle every day, and it's tough. There's too much hate out there, and we have to stamp that out. But it can affect you, this hate, because you want to feel relaxed and feel the healing. And you want to feel that energy that flows. Good nature energy. The crystal, you see it, you can't feel it, but you can hear it. You hear it. The hearing, the sounds, the frequencies of sounds you can hear. You can absorb those sounds. My voice, you can understand, you can hear it, you can comprehend. It helps you, relaxes you. I heal you through my voice. It goes into your ears, it resonates. You see me with your eyes. You see me with your mind. You are healed many ways. These crystals are very powerful and help healing. They make you feel like you never felt before. You should start to feel the tingles from your legs all the way up into your body, into your mind. As you move forward in life, you feel this healing inside. You feel this peace and love and happiness inside. You care about yourself and others, but you have to focus on yourself to move ahead in life. Yourself is very important, and yourself is very strong. You feel this energy flowing. You feel how strong the energy is. The energy is very strong. Okay, so I need you to just relax and I'll do the rest, okay? Just relax yourself. Don't worry about anything. If you keep worrying, it's not going to help you. Open up and drop those extra baggages. Drop them down. And I will get you into the other reality. I can hypnotize or I can program your mind to feel alive again and feel at peace and solitude again. Feel that healing inside. Feel that love and that connection again. You connect with the new world. You connect with peace and love. You connect with so many others. You just have to open up yourself for that connection. This is from the ocean, bottom floor. A shell from the ocean. You can hear it. Very powerful. Mother Nature of the sea. The sea of the salt and air. Salt. Himalaya salt. Crystal salt. All these things come together. You feel this healing inside. And you feel this love and peace inside. Let me see where we are now. Put your hands in the palm, put his face, palm facing, and I can channel the energy to you. do you feel now? You feel that the present is now healing. We have to focus on our present time. Can't go into level 1, can't go level 3. Level 2 is where we're all at right now. This is our plane of existence. This is where we are right now. We are in level 2 in our lives. We share so much happiness and joy and wonders and peace and happiness. You feel his energy. The joy of life is so precious. You feel the healing inside and out. You feel the love and cherish the moment you have with me in this session is for peaceful happiness and joy. You feel happy. You feel healed. You feel great. The level you're in right now is the level of peace and love. You feel this peace and love all day long. This is a new day, a new beginning. What's happened yesterday is now in the past. In level 1 and level 2, it's a new day for you. And as level 2 continues, it changes level 3. Because level 3 is your future, your destiny. But level 2 is your destiny. But in the present time and form is you, your life. Your life is all about you and your life. Your life matters. Who you are matters. Everything you do matters. Because that is who you are in life. You fulfill your life daily. Because you see your life as a perfect place. Here and now. Not back then. Right now. This is your life. This is your new beginning. This is who you are. Welcome. And you're thankful for this healing we have shared with you. Take a deep breath and you feel this enlightenment. Your body is really in tune with itself. You feel this energy right now inside you. You feel the goodness and happiness and joy inside of you. You feel the greatness inside. It's a positive feeling right now. You feel it. You're welcome. Every session is different. Find the session that works for you. I hope this one works for you as it has worked for me. And I feel a connection with you. You take care. Take care in peace and happiness to you. Bye for now.